Top 5 Print-on-Demand Niche Research, Episode 21. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, we're going to continue with the first episode of Top 5 Print-on-Demand Niche Research. So without further ado, let's get on with it. At the end of this video, I'm going to release the names of those who won our last week's giveaway. So if you'd like to know who won, stick around to the end. Our first niche for today is Father's Day's niche. This is one of the top ranking designs on Merch by Amazon that is doing very well. Actually, Flying Research is getting their data from Merch by Amazon. That's why I said Merch by Amazon. But it's one of the top ranking designs on Amazon and it's priced at $17.99. And it has sold over 268 times, over 431 reviews, and overall trend is up, current trend is up. As you can tell from the VSR, is approaching 1, if not already at 1. It's already at 1, so you can tell that the design is doing very well. So it's basically an American flag. Actually, it's military kind of color with the American flag. It says husband, daddy, protector, hero. The camouflage is very nice, and here are the keywords I can use with the design: father's flag, camouflage, American, husband, daddy, funny, and all the rest. So it's actually very unique designs. It's actually not only for Father's Day. You can use this for as a veteran too, because it has a camouflage design on it. So that's we have so many other Father's Day designs, and I'm gonna show you in a bit. This is another Father's Day design. It says husband, daddy, protector, hero. It's just plain white text on a black t-shirt, which is one of the basic kind of designs that you can put on a t-shirt. And surprisingly, it's doing very well too. Over 191 sales, 223 reviews, price at 1307. Well, the price is not making any money from the sales of this shirt. This is the kind of strategy that you use to get your account to the next tier. I'm actually looking forward to making a video telling you the exact strategies you're gonna use to take your Merch by Amazon account from one tier to the next, because this is one of the strategies. Pricing at the lowest, it encourages buyers to buy. So this person is doing very well at the moment. Over 191 sales, price at 1307, and overall trend is up. And here are the keywords that you can use: husband, daddy, father, protector, hero, and all the like. Here are some designs, and we have another Father shirt. This one says that we have tried to find the best gift for you, but we already belong to you. It's kind of funny, and I like the colors. I like t-shirts that have a pop of colors. This one is mixed with black, white, and red, which makes your design pop and brings customers' attention towards your t-shirt. So the t-shirt is priced at $14.99, over 3 reviews and 165 sales. And the BSR is overall trend is up, and the BSR rose, then went down, then rose. So here are the keywords you can use: funny, daddy, Father's Day, wonderful, fantastic, and all the like. Similar designs. This one says, I'm a proud father of an unbelievably awesome daughter. Just 5 sales. I'm thinking it's a new shirt. This one's 5 sales. I'm thinking also it's a new shirt. So I have like 3 more Father's Day designs I want to show you, the ones that are ranking very well, that are doing very well. This is one of them. This one is actually for the stepfathers. It says, I'm not the stepfather, I'm the father that stepped up. It's a little bit funny, and also has a grunge design to it. And it's not only, it's just white text on black background, which is like the basic, and it's actually doing very well. It's a sales price at $17.99, like approximately $3 and some cents. And the overall trend is up. The keywords used: family, stepped up, Father's Day, great, and all the like. And same brand, these are different designs. So I'm gonna move over to the next one for daddies. This one says, I keep all my dad jokes in a database. So it's not the database, but database. So it's a little bit funny. And also has that popping design, popping colors on a design that is red, blue, orangey kind of texture, and yellow. So that also catches the customer's attention to your t-shirt. And it's priced 17.89, over 66 sales and 14 reviews. So overall trend is up, current trend is up for this particular design. It's keywords, so you can use jokes, father vibes, awkward, awesome, that's and all the like, similar designs, and it's on the same brand. This one is actually on the hoodie. So I think this is the last fantasy design that I'm gonna show you. And this one says they call me Papa because partner in crime makes me sound like a bad influence. So this is also funny kind of design, and has a mixture of color, blue and white on a black background. And it has sold over 103 times, and it's priced 1995 actually. That's over $5 in royalty, so that's not bad. Now take a look at their BSR. It has actually been increasing and reducing. Wow, it's really amazing. Increasing, reducing, sharp fall, sharp increases, and all the like. But it's actually doing not. It's not bad. It's not doing bad. And the keywords that you can use, grandpa. Actually, yeah, it says papa. It says papa. They call me papa, so you can use this for your grandfather. And people, you can use this for your grandfather actually. So that was niche number one. Wow, niche number one had like over 6 or 7 designs. Niche number two is for 4th of July. It's just this American flag on glasses that says America. It's a pretty basic design. You can just grab this American sunshades and you put the words America in white. You can even put the words America in red. It all depends on you. If you want to make your own design unique, you can just change the white to red. And this design is priced at, the shirt is priced at 13.99, over 101 sales, 115 reviews, and the BSR overall trend is up, current trend is up. As you can tell, it has been increasing and falling, increasing and falling. So it's not doing bad. The keywords you can use: patriotic, America, sunglasses, independence. So this is actually doing great. So this design, you can also use this for, that's in your keyword, you can use this for Veterans Day because it has something to do with the American flag. So you can add Independence Day, 4th of July, then Veterans Day. So that's it for our second niche. We're moving over to our third niche, Juneteenth. So June 19th is this melanin black woman, natural Afro design. It has a lot of words in her Afro. It has celebrate Black Festival, freedom, 1865, June. So there's several words that are in her hair. So you have to check the trademark and see if any of these words are trademarked, and just be careful guys. So you just need to check and see if any of these words are trademarked before you include them in your designs or even including your words. And this t-shirt is priced at 150, priced at 19.99, over 153 sales, 189 reviews, and the BSR is, overall trend is up, and the BSR is not doing bad. It is going towards the right. And the keywords you can use: Black Afro Juneteenth. I will be careful with this Juneteenth here, guys. I think it's trademark if I'm not mistaken. You can also use melanin, women, natural hair, and all the like. Let's take a look at similar designs. So that was it for our third niche. Our fourth niche is this the DeLorean. Actually, I wouldn't recommend that you make a design similar to this because this is actually infringing on Disney's Mandalorian. So, but I'm just showing the design to show you what is working right now, because this design has over 101 sales, over price at 17.99, and over 60 reviews. And as you can tell, the base is already at 1 or approaching 1. So it's actually a nice design, but I wouldn't recommend you to do it because this is one of the infringements that get your Mesh by Amazon account terminated. I've been there before, so guys, I wouldn't recommend it to you. So I'm just telling you, showing you what is trending, and the decision is up to you if you want to take the risks or not. So moving on to the next niche. Our fifth niche for today is fully vaccinated 2021. You know, people are still getting vaccinated, and some people don't want to get vaccinated. There's still some women are of the opinion that the vaccination gets them infertile. I don't know where they got that from, that it sterilizes them, it closes their wombs. Some very weird explanation and theories that there are no facts about, and I guess someone can just get into any of these groups and just scare people, you know. So it's really crazy out there, guys. But the CDC says nothing like that or nothing of such is gonna happen, and they are assuring us that the vaccine is safe. And wearing a shirt like this, fully vaccinated 2021, it encourages people to take the vaccine. And I will be careful with this vaccinated shirt because it also has to do with COVID, which is one of the things that Amazon doesn't accept. So I'll be careful if you want to recreate a design like this. But if you want to do, you can use the keywords vaccinated and women. Don't use anything like COVID or pandemic or all the like. Yeah, that's definitely gonna get your design rejected. So the price is priced at 1999, 67 sales, 28 reviews, and overall trend is up, current trend is up. And we're moving on to bonus niches. So guys, cryptocurrency is always trending, always trending. And not only Dogecoin, the other ones, Shiba, Bitcoin, yeah, all the other ones are trending too. So if there's any niche that you want to focus on, I would really recommend you focusing on the cryptocurrency niches, because a dip in one of the cryptocurrencies will trend, and an increase in the is skyrocket, or an increase in the other one will trend. So if you can get your designs up in all of the cryptocurrency niches, that would be awesome, guys. So that's just a tip there. Now moving on to our bonus niches, cicada. I'm not sure if it's called cicadas or cicada. I will call it cicadas. Yes, guys. So this is a mixture between Adidas and cicadas. So it's actually a funny design, but I will be very careful if you're getting into a niche like this, because as we're told a few days ago, I watched it on TV that cicadas, they come out from the ground after 17 years to mate. So this is the 17th year. So 17 years ago, they came out like a brood, and they are all out causing havoc, mating left and right. So that today, 2021, is another 17th year, and they're out again, out and about, being eaten by birds and all the like. And a mixture of the words cicadas and Adidas is actually funny, and it's selling over 64 sales, guys. 64 sales, and what price at 1998. And look at this, the BSR, a sharp fall there, as you can tell. So the keywords that you can use is cicada, summer, brood, magi, cicada, insect, lover, entomology. So those are the cool keywords that you can use. And another bonus niche, this one, it says this is my Hawaiian shirt. So this one is actually doing very well. It's actually for the summer. Summer is here, and many summer designs are doing well. This one is one of them. Overall trend is up. Current trend is up. Price at 1689, over 55 sales, 38 reviews, and you can tell it's already approaching 1. So it's actually doing very well. Take a look at the design one more time. It says this is my Hawaiian shirt. So scrolling down, here are the keywords you can use: Hawaiian, tropical, party, costume, rainbow, wear, outfit, and all the likes, flowers. So that was our last bonus niche of the day. Just for the future, in case you want to making designs for the future, you can start prepping for Memorial Day if you've not already started prepping. It's just a reminder. Actually, the event is on May 31st, so it's a few weeks away from today, a few days away from today. Sorry about that. Then the Juneteenth, the event is on June 19th, and June 19th is about like 3 weeks away. And the next is Father's Day, obviously. If you haven't already started making designs of Father's Day, you should. And the last is Independence Day, guys. So those are the four niches that are really huge, because focusing on huge niches will is one of the fastest way to get sales. And here are the four niches you should focus on in these coming weeks to um, have an opportunity to make sales. And if you want to guarantee making sales, I will advise that you advertise. So guys, like I told you at the beginning of the video, we're gonna move over to the second part of this video, which is revealing the names of the people who won a last week's giveaway. So congratulations to Amanda Brooks and Justin Briggs for winning a last week's giveaway. I'm gonna contact you to claim your prize. And for our next week's giveaway, it's gonna start on the 24th. And if you're interested in this giveaway, there's a link in the description below. Click it and enter the giveaway. And by next week, I'll be really revealing the names of the people won the giveaway. So guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about Pinot Man and KDB, this is the channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.